keep it calm. Conquer the I said we feel like we can conquer the.
Come chat too much for real, you know. A true man, I agree with you. I chat too much for real.
You know, just like the artist, I'm just want to bring on the artist. Yeah, but we really have to discuss this on my platform. We really have to bring this to the forefront. Now, me keep on tell people say, Alkaline either one out of the two or one out of the three. Either in picky, love problem, yeah, or him just have a vengeance. Yeah, him does, you know, him act does heavy. Yeah, man, and you might be saying, Kimpa, where you come with now? Where you talk about? Alright, hold on, man, I'm getting there. I'm ready.
Hey, me like when them tell me feed that, you're supposed to know, man, things like that.
That's true.
A man as a corner league player.
Corner league.
Kyle Messi, which is a worst.
These are not showing us that something I go on, you know, and I think of the joking. Not joking there now. We don't care who and ball, anybody a ball and done here, man. But listen me, I touch a piece some of you.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vibes and Insight with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando in our building with another episode, another vlog for you, the viewers and subscribers. You know it go. Blessings and honors to all of the ones and one out there who are tuning into the vlog. We always make sure to them leave a like or leave a comment in the comment section. You know it go already, man. So me have some topics to break too, no, as it pertains to Alkaline. You know it go already, man. Another day, dirty people at it try bury the artist name because a lot of video me come across on TikTok with some people that drag Alkaline name, and also people are trying to protect the youth brand or protect the youth image because they know he have some real true supporters out here who stand by his side, and we really respect that. So me have some clippings with, I guess they are Gaza fans, are fans of Vibes Cartel, because to the way them speak on Alkaline name, it's like everybody has that opinion, everybody has their own say whenever it comes to Alkaline. You never hear nobody really talk about the other artists like how them talk about Alkaline so much. And when them talk, you can hear the negative tone in them voice as any time them try to talk about the youth. So more want to stick around, don't move a muscle, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that post notification bell. So whenever I drop a new content, you guys can be the first to be notified. So let's just jump right into the topic. So before we jump into some serious part of the conversation, I want to highlight that brother here. I guess him want the highlight because for a while now he's been dragging Alkaline's name in the media. But now I come to think of it is that I promote Alkaline because him live for Alkaline names 24/7. So him come out to apologize now. And then me have another clippings with him. I highlight the New Rules concert because you remember he was saying that New Rules now go big like the other New Rules then because of the lineup and so forth. So now I see him in a different clippings. I big up New Rules with even the New Rules flyer in him background on him TikTok account. So watch that video, people, and tell me what you think.
To them, I question myself and I ask myself, why people on the internet always tell me SYM? Why them always say me a footer hype 2.0? Why them always say me a pocket watch? Why them always say me a no selector and me chat too much? And then me pre the levels and say, you know, say some of them comments here on the lie them a tell. Cause me chat too much for real, you know. A true man, me agree with you, know. Me chat too much for real. I chat too much for real. I looking at myself and I look back on my video them and I say, yeah, I chat too much for real. I talk too much truth. I chat too much for real. And the artists them listen to me too much. And when them don't listen to me, they eventually have to come back and do what I tell them to do. When them don't do what I tell them to do. I chat too much for real. I just that I could have said, I chat too much for real.
You guys share your thoughts in the comment section and let me know what you think about this brother, your personality and him whole persona, because after observing and realizing that this man is just a troll looking for clout on social media, me have to laugh at myself and say sometimes you can't really follow up them people, you know, because they like the attention, they like the views and the numbers that come on them channel. You know, it pays a lot of people to get views and numbers. I don't know if it pays on TikTok like that, but I know it pays on YouTube. So people out here do them things and them do what them have to do to make a little shillings, but that's just it. But you let me know what you guys think about that, people. So check out this video. This video is a video of the same brother here promoting New Rules after saying that New Rules promoting team nah really work that much, or the promotion nah really go and kind of see the flyers certain places in a Jamaica or Spain town, as you may say. So listen to that brother here and look at the video, look at the picture with New Rules behind him. I don't know, is it that him want to be a part of New Rules and can't get to be a part of it, but him just yo, I don't understand, people. Watch this.
Hear me, I say, people, this Saturday, July the 5th, everybody feel there in a Trelawney, at the Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. It's been a while since Alkaline performed in Jamaica. Last time I performed was 2022. And 2025, this Saturday, it's going to be epic at New Rules, Jamaica, Trelawney Multipurpose Stadium. Make sure you're there, and they're there from early. You hear that?
Boy, it just clear as day. It evident. This man did just want to be a part of New Rules. And also, him just love the attention and the views. So he would do any and everything just to get that, what he want. But you guys let me know what you think about this whole thing with this brother here. Because that brother here, him clearly sick upstairs, Him clearly a troll or overly the most, So you guys let me know what you think about that. Jaja. Now on to a video where I will play for you guys with some fans, some viewers of dancehall, and in my eyes, I could say them swing more over the Gaza side. But in a video, some people are share their own opinions as it pertains to Alkaline. I didn't know that people can speak upon people where them want people for be, although people always are gonna do that. But me have a clipping with somebody. Some people attack and I say, yo, Alkaline, the dancehall artists, them not like him because him antisocial and him not socialize. But me not understand, of all these new rules where Alkaline keep, isn't it dancehall artists that come perform on him shows? I thought I saw Skeng, Idonia, a lot of artists, and now we see where Tifa, Munga, Intense, and what him name, Silk Bass, and a lot of more artists perform on Alkaline show. So I don't understand which dancehall artists them people are say no like.
God, them not gonna take me serious to the tool yet. Till my day when they just reach and I pull and get.
Alkaline.
Till my day then chop asleep, that gonna too late. Till the day them realize me take this deeper than the music. One of them no say I'm gonna rush, I'm gonna do this.
And I'm not coming from a place of, just like the artist, I'm just want to bring on the artist. Yeah, but we really have to discuss this on my platform. We really have to bring this to the forefront. Now, me keep on tell people say Alkaline either one out of the two or one out of the three. Either in picky, love problem, yeah, or in just have a vengeance. Yeah, it does, him act us heavy. Yeah, man. And you might be saying, Kimpa, where you come with now? Where you talk about? Alright, well, man, I'm getting there. I'm really getting over the years. We keep on talking and we keep on letting people know say Alkaline is a good artist. But it's in ways I'm biggest problem. In ways I'm biggest downfall. Yeah, man. Alright, Gaza Boss, Vybz Kartel, Dancehall King, the baddest thing. Yeah, man. Look on them man the ways. Them man they don't try to act like or try to be full of himself. Yeah, man. Them man they is a marketing genius. Vybz Kartel linked with almost every dancehall artist and even almost every dancehall artist and reggae artist. Good. It wasn't like that. Don't get me wrong. Vybz Kartel rival a lot of people. But one thing Vybz Kartel always do, him always pay homage. Yeah, man. This man will clash you and still pay homage. Yeah, man. This man will tell you any single thing in a song, but him still pay homage. No, Vendetta Boss. Yeah, man. Alkaline is the total opposite. Yeah, man. Them man they don't have no friend in the industry. Yeah, and why me I say so is because the new rules are come round. Oh God, man. How them that the headline act? Yo, people with flat, people will not really have a career right now. And them missy. Yeah, man. Them said one missy. Fan new rules as a supporting act. I mean I wonder, yo, why Vybz Kartel have all of these artists supporting him? Yeah, man. Every single bad artist in a Jamaica, male or female, say Gaza somewhere or another. Yeah, man. Don't believe me? Alright, look into this. Family Sparta, Vybz Kartel and Gaza. Popcorn, Vybz Kartel and Gaza. Rhino, Vybz Kartel and Gaza. All of the Gaza members then, previous and before. Yeah, previous and present. Or just say it before. Yeah, man. But when you look on outside of the Gaza, when you look on Canicla, Squash, Massacre, Skinny Bang, yo, the list goes on and on. Females, Spice, Chensia, Jada Kingdom, all of the dancehall artists, whether male or female, them respect and rate. Cartel, yeah, man. All if you just bust, cause look on people like 3-9, Jaman. Them man they love Vybz Kartel vibes. Yeah, man. You feel like them man they say Gaza. Yo, so what is it with Alkaline? Why they support me? Is everybody under Vybz Kartel raps?
Bro, after listening to this brother here, it come like I lose majority of my brain cell because I can't really understand where I get to, what kind of point I try to make. But what is he trying to say? He's projecting Vybz Kartel ways on Alkaline for Alkaline to be like Vybz Kartel. And then when time Alkaline do some things where them claim to say similar to Vybz Kartel, they are the same ones that have a problem with it. He's saying that Nobody no rate Alkaline. Everybody rate Vibes Cartel. All of the artists them rate Vibes Cartel for some reason. I don't know what him get. I don't know where him up pine to. All of them people that where you call, all of the name them where you call, brother, are Vibes Cartel fans them. They are die-hearted Vibes Cartel fans or Vibes Cartel artists. Them bow down to Vibes Cartel. Alkaline never did that. And let me tell you this, Alkaline has a lot of dancehall friends support also because we see where him do collab with Cranium. We did see where him do collab with Stark Ashley. We see where him do shows with a lot of artists and him bring on a lot of artists. Pan him shows also. Him link with Mavado. Him and Jamil did a link at one point. Me not understand where some of them people are come out. Them always. One thing me get for realizing after turning a vlogger, me realize that after searching the net for create content, a lot of these people out here like to speak from people name. Them like to give opinions to people's life. Like, yeah, me understand they are entertainers and we can speak on them. But when me really realize a lot of them are project them own insecurities on artists. They are speaking their own opinions on artists for what artists should do and what they should not do. Not realizing that the artists, them are human themselves. Them are them own person themselves. If them want to do a thing a certain way, them do a thing. Now he's saying that Alkaline, he must say, is either Alkaline a troublemaker or something. Me not understand. What is this person getting to? Viewers and subscribers, let me know one thing about what a brother they say. Because him not make no sense. And as me say, it's like me I lose my brain cell them. But you know, a content purpose will create it for sure, for make you realize and see what out there in our public. Where the people must speak pan. I mean, I tell you now, viewers and subscribers, this brother here have some views under that video here. And a lot of people are running some things that say, Alkaline too stuck up and go like him more than people. What the hell? If somebody want to go like them more than people, and not feel them problem that. Viewers and subscribers, let me know, man. Jano.
Still can't get over it. Hurt me and even cut deep into the soul of me. I run through the millions, them but it just don't feel the same. You are true, you don't know that.
You know how we got to work already. Our expression different from other vloggers. You know how we got to work. We're in depth with our expression when we are really dissect and talk about some of them topics. So on another topic, we have a girl, a beat Movado, a way in our vlog. She attacked down on Movado because, I don't know, she get tricked by the masses thinking that the old Movado big gun song are aimed at Alkaline. So she had this Movado in our vlog and boy, Jaja people only need to hear it. Because as I said in a previous vlog, whenever Jamaicans see people are fight down a single person, when not really harm nobody, do anybody nothing, they pick side with them take up for them sympathize with them. So the girl in our vlog and she attack, she char a piece of iron, she attach. Listen to her people.
All vendetta fans big up on yourself, you real snake them out like Mavado. Mavado, when you see things them on YouTube, let me make sure you tell them I press not interested because you're a snake. You left my out of Vibes Cartel Empire and go link with Alkaline for bring down the man for get news. Cause a long time you look like you did want to go with war with Alkaline and you them saying as a snake. Because spot out the man thing and run con this the man. You go talk about a 1 year now. Since man this year. So why you never drop the song as the man this year? You see so no pussy hole and no corruption in the dancehall? You see so no snake on the grass? You see so no go come round people for G and their energy? Try now say you want to take Alkaline stripe. No. Oh God bless no man curse. Mavado. You see you're ugly? You're a very ugly rasta. That's why you couldn't stay in the cassava piece. They run you out. You're not getting nothing. You're mean and you're just like your face. Boy, you try to bring down Alkaline. You can't bring down Alkaline. More God give Alkaline all the strength, the knowledge, the wisdom, and the understanding. And the music, them just a kick in their brain. To fix your business. You not too enough. You don't like to see youth strive and you alone to strive. Through your name now call up on the internet you use. Look what who for strength you use. Why you never use somebody else's strength? You not like popcorn. Why you never use popcorn strength and do a song for popcorn? Why it's all about Alkaline? Through Alkaline say man and a friend. The man not tell no lie. What you want the man to do? Force you on him, my friend. You jump up about big guns. You have to sing about big stinking mouth. From look upon you, me see say your mouth stink and you have no loyalty. You don't have no loyalty. Because you sell out Vibes Cartel and run go link up with Alkaline. Alkaline should have known too. Because if you can run from this and come and should never friend you. But you have to in this world, you have to pay for learn. And Alkaline have to pay for learn. Next time you know say no friend, nobody find the Gaza. Who say Gaza if it does associate, you know, if it associate with you, if it does depart on no blood for you know not. And if you respect from afar, can that's only like a blood clot evil.
Viewers and subscribers, what do you think? What do you think what she has to really have some pointers to the argument what she has put forth in her vlog? Because Jaja God, she have a right for not show her face, you know, because if she did ever show her face, she would have come under so much attack. But viewers, let me know what you think about what she has to, because one thing for sure now, it's that these fans out here, they are so passionate about their artists, especially Alkaline as their artist. Because listen me, you see the type of message the Alkaline singing her music for uplift them your people here. Oh God, man, it is different from the average artist, and them take it to art. Them take it on a different level. As Mr. Viewers and subscribers, whenever people, especially Jamaicans, see people that get fight, they sympathize with them. Them take them have them back all far away, a long way. And knowing that this lady has sound like an Alkaline fans, it is crazy. Viewers, remember, know what you think about that. As me say, you know, them passionate about Alkaline, you know. But as me say, as again, the song Big Guns, me not think it a aim at Alkaline. Me just take it for what it is. It's just a song. It's just a bad man song. But and the next thing, them artists are know how to strike the attention of people, because them put some things in them song, forget them name talked about and form a conversation around them song. So it is just what it is. Me can't really pinpoint it and push it to a Alkaline, because that I would be just dumb enough for paint the picture of say Alkaline him this and him not call Alkaline name. But you guys let me know what you think in the comment section. Jaja. Now on your screen here, I have this Gaza fan who wants to give his opinion on Alkaline. Boy, as what Alkaline say in our song, always the brockless and the ugliest people have the most things for say. Now that brother I talk a bag of thing about the clash where them think I got happen. As me say now, a Gaza fans out here are edge on this clash between Alkaline and Movado. Is it that them think Vibes Cartel or them know the Vibes Cartel afraid for war Alkaline or something? I don't know. I would think in myself, Movado is older than Alkaline. For see, Movado clash at Alkaline, it would be ridiculous because they're two different era. Them come from two different time spans. So, listen to that, brother, your people.
Yo, chat, forward the chat. You hear me say no people, no forward, looking at my eye. Oh, sorry, me have on my glasses. But people, you hear me say no, me and the grade find them talk about Movado and Alkaline and go at it. All rumor, people, all rumor. Movado don't have time for that. That a kids meal. You Vibes Cartel say, yo, name them food, be a kids meal. A kids meal, that brother. First of all, Alkaline have more step to climb before you can even say yes, he might demand a dancer. That just show us Alkaline have some look of fans where, and them fans them kind of, what you don't say now, them fragile. Every little thing, you see her, so them fragile, brother, them just want to jump up and say something. Because kids them don't really understand what's going on. But really and truly, Movado don't have time for Alkaline. Why? Movado in a bigger league, Movado a general, and Alkaline have no way league like Movado for even Movado answer him. Movado just drop a song and just answer the critiques and make them know say, yo, Gully never scared and Gully there, so I'm to them look a boy. But deeply, Movado not going to clash, not have time to clash with them, brother. Tell me and tell her that. First of all, from Skillibeng boss, Alkaline fall off full time, brother. Tell me and tell her that. Because first of all, the Skillibeng come take away the whole of the shine. One time to Skillibeng come steal all them, come steal the glory and be the man one time, brother. Me or Alkaline will come out in the Skillibeng flow about sell off, see. I say, so this a youth that can thief, man. The man all such a boom and start. I'll spit like Skillibeng in a fast flow where Skillibeng there about two other songs where man jab, where man try spit like Skillibeng. I say, no man, this not real, brother. This a man what them say is, I come take over 2016 and come take over, run the place over cartel. This a man I live in the Skillibeng flow, sell off, see. And you hear him fans them say, those two man and fragile. The man them say, no man, I mock him, I mock Skillibeng, man. Oh, Skillibeng never mock him. If me I do something and you a mock me, that showing you says you watch me, brother. That's why you start can mock me, because you know what me I say. You watch me. Oh, me never mock you. Come in and watch you, me don't care about you. I then care about the other man. brother, because an idea thief, them thief style every time. I try to drop it flow, sell off, see if you see where the people them are going to reciprocate to it. So if the people them reciprocate to it in our way, I guarantee you them continue to do the same thing. I saw that you this day. And you see me do it and I hide and now come out. Hide with him there and I do it. I have a man I say, oh, I'm on new flow that suck with mama. We man no business, you know, care. I saw him do it. Remember, say the man come out say one done. The man come out doing me like cartel. The man come out doing bleach out like cartel. Tattoo like cartel. The man come out call himself man himself like cartel. Everything man say vendetta like cartel. The man put up the V, Vice Cartel sign and say vendetta. Everything. The man I take I just go to some place, go hide and do it. And in fans them say, yes, I feel more.
Yo, what me really want to know, dog? Alkaline cut Jesus slippers. What make Jamaicans them eat Alkaline so? Me come to the conclusion for say Alkaline are one of number one, Jamaica's number one hated person, you know. Me not understand how them people that eat Alkaline so them find every way for reach. If you say Alkaline I do this, or a tease somebody's style, or a copy this, or a copy that. Bumbo cleat, I saw them eat Alkaline, man. What Alkaline do some of them people here? Is it that him cut Jesus slippers? Make them eat him so? Come on, man, viewers and subscribers. Make me know anything in the comment section because a lot of people out here, as me say, you know, I share them own negative opinions upon the artist, where them want the artist do, where them want think of the artist. And I really realize them eat Alkaline for true. Them really eat him for true on a different level. And it come like say, yo, the more eat the dog get, the more bigger the dog get, the more stronger the dog stand firm in the business and nah move. What? The more Alkaline come out of dancehall, John oh, Father God, I've God alone can tell me say them people here no sick and hate Alkaline on a different level. And one thing me can say still in a dog, una go tired for see Alkaline face, you know. Una go have sleepless night. Una go get nauseous every time somebody bring up Alkaline's name. Because una go tired for see the dog face. Jano, him now go come out. Him still there after so many years of y'all telling him that, oh, him out flap out or him now go remember when Vibes Cartel come a road. And right now, the man name a ring hard in the media. Would they even remember some other artists where did I run the place or hot as so to speak? Boy, it crazy. And viewers and subscribers, we have another one fool, you know, boy. Them out there, them a try. And they can't drain the youth energy. Watch out one of people.
Alright. Them say Cliff Hughes go interview Alkaline on Nationwide News Network. Now bear this in mind. Nationwide News Network don't pay dancehall. Seen? And Cliff Hughes is not a dancehall fan. Seen? So I must buy Alkaline by the airtime. Big and serious, I must buy Alkaline by the airtime. Seen? And Alkaline no normally give an interview, not even on TV. The last time Alkaline do an interview, you know, seen when Winfred Williams interview him. And from that, you know, they no interview, and that how much years ago. Seen? And right now, how much radio station in America, seeing the interview Vibes Cartel, how much podcast the interview Vibes Cartel. See TV station interview Vibes Cartel. Seeing? And guess what? Nobody now link Alkaline for your interview. So the man come to Jamaica condo. Seeing come buy some airtime for Nationwide News Network. Obviously, that a go on. You see me? Because I guess Cartel do the whole of the interview them. You see me? As a Cartel get the whole of the publicity them. Remember, you know, when Cartel had do an interview with some upcoming youth have a podcast, you know, that is what is called public relations. So it's right now, Alkaline right now I try to do some public relations appeal. I remember one night time when Cartel just come from exile and demand everywhere. Seeing? I see a comment pan a post when Alkaline friend them comment pan Cartel post and say, yo, this a man a come on and they everywhere. Seeing? One of them Alkaline page. So this a man a come on and they everywhere. Yeah, I mean man, Cartel, come on brother, everybody wants to see the artist. So you feel like, you see me? That's what is called public relation. And right now Alkaline try to build up in public relation appeal. Yeah man, that a go on.
How the song go? Make them cuss, make them go and complain. Run up them pressure cause we not let the game. Stress can't get to your fire, bro. Jaja people. Them out here lose it, viewers.
Make them go and complain. Run up them pressure coming out if you get.
Viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts in the comment section. Remember, me tell you already, no man. Them are got tired for see Alkaline's face. Brother, some of them people are come like them are lose them nerve. Them a lose some brain cell. It come like, me don't know what to say. Them a lose it out here because everything with Alkaline do bad as them. And peer pressure run up. Trouble there. Viewers and subscribers, leave on the thoughts in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this whole vlog and all of them idiot people out here. You know it go already, man. Our vibes and insight with another one. I'm out. Peace.
No, they want it. Now they begin. Ball and then quarrel. No, they